Hey guys, today let's learn how to play YouTube videos on the background of your iPhone. So if you guys are wondering how to do this step by step, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this easily. So what we need to go ahead and make sure first is to launch the settings application, and I want you to tap on your general tab, tap on picture in picture, and make sure that you have start PIP automatically enabled. Once that is done, I want you to go ahead and hop onto your Safari browsers and then go on over to youtube.com. Now this is going to help you basically execute this feature, and all we need to do is to go ahead and have a full screen mode and enter full screen mode on your device, and then go ahead and just exit that real quick. Basically, you should have this option over on your control centers to play it if it is still working. So of course I can't really show you that step by step since my screen recording application isn't showing you all of the necessary details that I want to go ahead and show since it's actually bugging out. But essentially that is all you guys need to know about picture in picture mode and playing your YouTube videos on the background on your iPhone. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.